Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here for the first time for rifle season. Got the rifle behind me, and even though conditions are not great, hopefully I'll end up with a deer in the next day or two.
Let's pause here for a second. I've been hunting since late October for the crossbow season. I just haven't had really anything to show. Now, we've had several pigs this year.
This is just ridiculous how many pigs we have out here right now. They're just absolutely everywhere. They don't even care that I'm standing maybe 15 yards from them.
Here on camera, there are several sounders we've had coming through. This is just one of the very small ones, as well as big bruisers like this guy right here. Now, my cousin did end up shooting a pig early in the morning, maybe 10 yards away from him as he was walking to his stand. Quite a bit of blood from the broadhead he was using, and he opened it right up. He also ended up getting a shot at this doe, which looks pretty good on camera, and I ended up with a shot at 45 yards at this pig. However, it looks like it went a tad bit high. Now that you're filled in, let's go ahead and get to this part of the video.
Some of you probably remember this rifle. This is a 450 Bushmaster setup. I have an AR-15 lower. That is a Diamondback lower. This is a BCA upper 450. As mentioned, it's 16 inches. I want this thing compact. I've shot 125 yards pretty accurately with this, although I could push out to 150, maybe even a little bit further with that 16-inch barrel. 3x9x50 scope. That 50 size bail just allows you to see a little bit better as it gets closer to dark, especially in this thicker cover stuff that I tend to hunt. And then as far as projectiles, just a magazine that holds 5 rounds of Hornady Black FTX 250 grain. These things they just do damage, simple as that. On deer, pigs, whatever you're going to hit with this, it's going to go down. That's why I like these. Well, with all that being said, time to pack all the bags up, pack the rifle up, go ahead and get on the ATV and try to head down there and get it nice and quiet for this deer to come in this afternoon. Clearly not what I was hoping for. It's about 3:30 now, and rain just picked up and it hasn't stopped. I'm pretty sure I heard a little bit of thunder. Just checked the radar as well, and that seems to cooperate. Well, yesterday turned out to be a bust. It continued to rain and rain all the way into the late hours. Now, it's about 68 today, so a couple degrees cooler than yesterday. Not much in all honesty. The only way you're going to find out or try to get a deer is if you go. So I'm going to go head down to the woods yet again. Got a couple things done earlier, and hopefully the luck will change around and I'll be able to get the first deer of the season. It's been about 2 or 3 years since I've sat in this patch. Has a very nice view. We went ahead and moved the shooting house out, put a new one in. So I'm really excited to be back out here. I see a couple areas where the grass is mowed down, so that's a pretty good sign. Hopefully that means that something's going to walk in here this afternoon. It's been a couple weeks since I last hunted. I've just been pretty busy lately, traveling a bit, but I got here a little late this afternoon. I don't want to mess anybody else up that's in the swamp by driving down the road, so I'm going behind the house. We have plenty of does back here. They really do need to be thinned out some, so it's not going to hurt if I shoot one this afternoon. Plus, that'll give me the rest of this weekend to go hunt in the middle and lower properties in the swamp and try to get another doe or a pig this weekend, and also put myself at ease of finally getting a little bit of meat for the family. There's finally one here. Feeder will go off in a little bit. There's some bigger does. One of them doesn't come in 15 minutes. I want to take that one right there, walking through. cousin's pretty confident he heard that deer crash, so we're about to go back out here, take a look for her. Surely that 450 wouldn't take too long if I hit it well, but that's yet to be determined. Anyway, got the flashlights. We'll go on this hill, see if we can find some blood, and get her out of there. She certainly bled quite a bit coming through here. Those 450s, they do not mess around. And there she is. That's good, 120, 130 pound doe. Definitely shooter size for us up here. Gotta get this one out of the woods, but I'll take her. That's awesome. Where did I hit her? Okay, so it is forward like I thought I did. And I got her in the shoulder, yep. Got her right where I was aiming and came out forward right through the neck. So it broke her down. That's why it was kind of hard to tell. Like I said, she was running weird, but it didn't look like it broke down both front shoulders. But I'll take her. That's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead, take her back to the field, turn the slide off so you can probably see me a little bit better, and we'll load this little girl in the truck and take her to the processor. That's awesome. I want to actually knock that beer off. All right. I'll take one picture with her and the gun for a thumbnail, and that'll be it. Well, one last look at her. That is that's a heck of an exit wound. You just about fit my finger into that. But glad I got her. Easy track. We're gonna go ahead and take this thing into town to the butcher and get some sausage made out of her. That's what my family really likes, but couldn't be happier to have her. Well guys, I do hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and as always, thanks for watching.